with syrup here, and today we got our laser engraved American Silver Eagle with the laser beam privy mark. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Alright, there it is. $2025 laser engraved. Like the COA. Still got Ventris Gibson on the back. Everything looks good. The privy mark isn't frosted at all. I thought the privy mark would be frosted like all the rest of the design. It's kind of weird looking. Looks good, but I don't know, I think that's weird that it's not frosted. Anyways, that's it for this video. It's the laser beam privy mark laser engraved American Eagle. I appreciate everyone watching, and I will talk to you on the next video.